Problem 41. So, vertical cylinder tank 1.8 diameter has contained 5.2 deep of water tank in the diameter circular orifice at the bottom of CC is equals to 0.68 and the CB is 0.94. So what is the coefficient discharge of his orifice? So magamit ka og kuan C equals to CC times CV. So para makuha nimo ang coefficient of discharge kay C equals to 0.68 times 0.94 equals ka og 0.639. So we have problem 42. So what is the pressure of 1 or 12.5 below the ocean? Use SPGR equals to 1.03 for the salt water. So P equals to YH equals to 9.81 times 1.03 times 12.5, makuha ko kPa nga 126.3 kPa. So problem 43 kay glass tube of 90-degree bend is the open both of ends. It is insert by the following stream of oil. So na siya is SP ug GR nga 0.90, so that the one of opening is direct stream with another direct upward into the soil. So increase the tube for 50 mm higher than the surface outside from diameter. The velocity measured by the tube. So gamit kag V equals to square root of 2GH. So equals nimo nga 2GH karon J nimo manang gravity. So times ra nimo 0.5, so makakuha nga V nga 0.99 meters per seconds. Water flow through to 75 mm diameter pipe at velocity of 3 meters seconds. Find, so ang higop na find the volume flow rate in meter cube per seconds and lit per seconds. So ang gamiton nimo diha nga one formula kay katong Q is equal to AV. So equals pi over 4 times 0.075 squared times 3. So 0.03 meters per seconds ng answer dira. Meter cube per seconds nga gitime sa na natog 1000 liters per meter cube nga makakuha ka og 13 liters per seconds. So we have problem 45. So ang gipangita kay ang the mass of flow rate in kg sec. So pagkuha sa mass flow rate kay ang formula niyo gamiton gigatong M is equals to PQ. So ang katong 1000 liters ra gitime sa ra nimo 0.013 makakuha ka og 13 kg per seconds. Then we have problem 46. So ang gipangita saya kay ang the weight flow rate in n to seconds. So imong gamiton nila katong weight equals to y q nya 9.108 or 98 nga times ani mo 0.013 makakuha ka og weight nga 127 n per seconds. So we have problem 47. What is the rate of the water passing through in pipe with a diameter of 20 mm and speed of 0.5 meters per second? So ang gipakita diri kay ang flow rate. So ang gamiton ng mga formula sa flow rate, if nakalimot ka, kay katong Q is equals to AV nga tuloy mo nga Q is equals to pi over 4 nga 0.02 nga diameter nga gi-times ra nimo 0.5 nga speed, so makakuha kag 1.57. Karang 1.57 di pa na final answer. Karang 1.57 tayon sa para nimo 10 raised to negative 4 para makuha nimo ang meter cube per seconds. Mo na ang final answer kana sila. Problem 48. So a water flow in an open channel of the speed of 2 meters and velocity of 3 meters per second. 3 meters per second in a flow down to into another channel where the depth is 1 meters and velocity of 10 meters per second. Neglecting friction, determine the difference of the elevation of the open channel. So difference man daw, so magamit ka itong formula nga E1 equals to E2. So B1 squared over 2G plus 2 plus Z equals to B2 squared plus 1. So this states lang dito nga naka 3 meters per second, so 3 squared over 2 times 9.81 plus 2 plus Z equals 10 squared over 2 times 9.81 plus 1. So makakuha ko o answer nga 3.64 o 3.64 meters. Problem 49. So gamay ra kay na siya. So an orifice of coefficient of discharge as a 0.62 and the coefficient of construction as a 0.63. Determine the coefficient velocity of the orifice. So C equals to CC times CV. 0.62 is equals to 0.63 times CV. So makukuha nga CV of 0.94. So we have problem 50. So top weight curve as 1.2 meters in a diameter of a 5 meter long curve flowed water both ends at the culvert of a submerged of a difference in water level upstream at the downstream is 2.4 meter. Calculate the discharge assuming is C is equals to 0.61. So na kay Q is magamit yung formula nga Q is equal to CA squared of 2GH. So Q is equal to 0.61 times pi over 4 times 1.2 raised to 2 square root of 2 times 9.81 times 2.4, maka-come up kang answer nga 4.734 meter cube per seconds.